Barin von Foregger on the line with us from Grillax.com, a grill master tips and techniques and recipe website that's developed and maintained right here in Mississippi. Barin, excited about having you on. Thanks for your time. Good morning.
Oh, good morning, Jay. What's going on, man?
Oh, man, just glad to talk to you about this. Now, I asked you for a tailgating recipe for this week, and then you told me, well, if we're going to do tailgating, we got to do wings. So
absolutely,
you've got a special way that you like to prepare wings. 10 pounds of wings is what you were talking about. Well, I'm going to be over there in just a minute. So, so a little bit about how you go to prepare wings your way for the tailgate for Saturday.
Well, I tell you what, if you're going to tailgate, you're not going to tailgate just for yourself. It's all about bringing your friends in and enjoying the atmosphere and the camaraderie. Whether you like the team that the other guy likes or not, you're going to share some good times. And, wings are the very popular thing right now. You got to be one with the wing, it seems. And, what we like to do at Grillax is we take a real simple method and, we like to brine our wings, which kind of gives it a nice internal flavor, which a lot of the restaurants do around here anyway. It's just, we like to brine our wings, let them sit for about an hour, and then it's just real simple. You just put them on the grill and you just don't do anything. You let the grill do the work. So I didn't know, have you been getting into the grilling, Jay?
I have been. I got a grill. I had one before for a little while, but I got a real grill. I don't mean to sound uppity or snooty about it, but I actually got a grill that wouldn't fall apart for the summer for the first time this year, and I'm enjoying it very much so. Probably too much. I don't know if that's possible, but yeah, I've really gotten into it.
Well, I don't know if you got a pen and paper with you, or if maybe you could give your listeners a copy of this on a website or something. But I can kind of go over the basics of making some wings for your tailgate if you want.
Absolutely, I would love you to do that. And we're also you've sent me the recipe, and we're going to have that on our Facebook page, which is facebook.com/Season Pass. But go ahead and go into how you like to make the Grillax wings.
Excellent. Well, if you're going to have 10 pounds of wings, that's a lot of chicken. So you're going to have about 12 cups of water that you're going to put aside in a bowl, some sort of device just to hold your water. You're going to add about a half a cup of sea salt, a half a cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of granulated garlic, about a tablespoon of chipotle flakes, just to give it a little kick.
Yeah.
And then you're going to let that sit for about an hour. You're going to stir it up, put your wings in, let it sit for about an hour, and all that goodness is going to come in. I don't want to sound like the Food Network, but it's really going to give that bam effect to your chicken. And once, after your hour is done, you got your grill going, you get it nice and hot, you definitely want to put a dry rub or a dry seasoning on your wings before you put them on the grill. And just a very basic seasoning that will kick that tailgate off is a tablespoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. And it's just so simple.
Yeah.
You just put it on. Put your wings on about 2 to 3 minutes just to sear on each side of your wings over high heat. Once those get seared, you move them over to the cool side of the grill for about 20 to 30 minutes. Let the heat come in and just cook them real slow. And if you have a digital, oh, that's a hard word, a digital thermometer, we like to use the Thermopin at Grillax, but they have plenty on the market. But if you check that temperature to 165 degrees, you're good to go. Once you get them off the grill, you could put any type of sauce you like. But at Grillax, we like it spicy. We're in the Deep South, and we love our spice here. So I have a spicy Thai sauce that I'm going to send you to, but I'm going to give your listeners that real quick. So for this spicy Thai sauce, you want to take a 1/3 cup of honey, 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of chili oil, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, juice from 1 lime, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1/2 tablespoon of ground coriander or chopped cilantro, and then some chili flakes to taste. So that is really going to make I mean, it's just everybody at the tailgate is just—they're not going to leave.
Well, you got our producer over there in the control room. She's bouncing off the walls right now, ready to try this. So,
well, I should have sent you just a whole trough of it so y'all could have it while we were talking today.
I don't know if I'd be able to talk because it sounds spicy, but like you said, that's what makes it so good. So, all right, Grillax.com. We got about a minute and a half here. What can folks find on the website there?
Well, on Grillax.com, it was made for the grilling aficionado, the guys who and girls that like to get outdoors, do their cooking, hang out with their friends, and talk while they're cooking. It's one of those things that, grilling's been around since the discovery of fire.
Right.
So this isn't some new trend that's coming around. Everybody loves to grill, and just like with cooking, everybody wants the secrets of, hey, how did you do that? What's in that sauce? Oh, my gosh, what is that? Do you like it wet or dry? When it comes to ribs, that's a whole segment for you if you want to talk ribs. But, it's just a place for them to come. They can find recipes. They could find different techniques on how to cook certain things. You could do anything on the grill, and we just try to cater to that, and we let people ask questions, and we just try to keep them informed on everything that's going on the grill. And tailgating, I mean, come on, that's the quintessential way to grill. And
we've been talking this week about how this next coming week could be the biggest college football week in Mississippi, maybe ever. Barin von Foregger from Grillax.com. Thanks so much for your time this morning. Grillax.com. We'll have that recipe on the website.